told, hashing is a technique of searching. Let us go for first mathematical definitions. So these are the elements like x1, x2, x3 and so on x. So these are the key element, and apply the key element on hash function, a list of elements, and it is place the elements into appropriate positions. This is the list. So already I told, hash function is take care about the elements to place their position in the list. Okay, this is the list is nothing but memory. Okay, so now the question is, how much parts the memory is divided? So that is the important thing here. So what is the maximum key element here? N. Starting from 1 or depends upon the position. You can take 0 also. Okay, starting from 0. So one thing you have to remember, what is the maximum element in the key space that number of partitions is divided into the memory. That is a major requirement of searching. So I think I am clear. I hope you understood. So this is the key elements, that means which element we are 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. The key elements is x. So before inserting the list, that element is approaching hash function. Hash function will be decide where if you want to store in the list. So let us take example how this actually implemented. So take the key space again. Key space in nothing, it is not a new term. The keys is stored here. Initially the keys is stored here. So I take random values. These are the key elements I want to place. So this is a hash function. Hash function. Here having the hash function h, hash function h, and this is a list. So the memory is divided into how many parts? Already I told, which is the maximum number, not a last number. Suppose here having 15, here place 2, no problem. So how many parts? 15 parts, which is the maximum count, that equal number of parts you can divide it in the memory. So then divide memory from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 and 15. So hash function is take the element. What is the element? 5. Where I want to store the element? In 5. It's simple. That means in mathematical, hash function h is take the element x, it can store in the position of x. So that is a mathematical notation. Okay, h of 5. In the index of 5, the 5 will be stored. In the index of 3, like that, next 3 is entered in the hash function. Hash function is decide, go on stored in the index 3. And 15 is entered. Hash function is give the direction, go on to place position 50. Next hash function is take the input 1 and index is 1, input 2, index is 2. So now all the elements is entered in their positions. So 5 is stored in the 5th position, 3 will be stored in the 5th position, and 2 in 2 index, 1 is 1 index, 15 is 15 index. Okay, this is a mapping. This is a mapping. Okay, so hash function is now to take care about to place the element in the position of the list. Next, what the searching is done, how the searching process will be done in the hash. Take it, suppose if you want to search key element is 1, how many steps to take? Just it can give the position. So go and search the one position, then we can search the find out the searching element in the list. No need to go for linear search, no need to start mid position, no need to go left and right side. Only one attempt if you find any of the element in the list. Suppose if you want to search fifth element, just go to fifth position. The fifth position, 15th position having the 15th element. Okay, that's why the hash function is created. Okay, what is the element you can enter in the hash function? That location only allocated to store that element. Okay, so that's why we can any element you want to search, only one step is enough to find the element. So total time for requiring to search the element is only one attempt. For deletion, suppose if you want delete the key equal to 3, how many steps? The third position having 3, then delete. For deletion also only one step. Okay, so the main advantage of hashing searching is, if any element in the key space if you want to search, only that position having that element, don't go anywhere, one step is enough to find the element. So that is the advantage of hashing. So this is the formula is important. So this is called as, this method, entire method, now what I am explaining now, that method is called as static hashing. Why it is static hashing? It is a fixed position and value same. The same position, same value is placed. So remaining empty spaces are empty. Empty spaces are empty. Okay, that is a procedure of implementation of search. Okay, so can you observe what is the drawback here? What is the drawback here? Okay, how many elements here having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the linear search, how much space is to take to store the elements? Only 5 positions now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The binary search also, how much place is to take to store the elements in order? Only 5 positions here also. Then to store same elements in the hash, how many locations it can take? From 0 to 15. That number of locations is required. Even the some of the positions are may or may not to store the element. What is the maximum number? That number of element is stored. That is a drawback. Space is increased. If the less number of elements is there, even though the size of the memory is increased. Okay, so that is the drawback. Memory is take more to store the element. Suppose if you want enter 100 element, then you can make the size into 100. Make the size into 100. That is the drawback of hash function. So take some modification on hash function to reducing or optimizing the size of the memory. Okay, let us discuss about modified hash. Let us look at modified hash. So what is the problem in the normal or static hashing? Means if the maximum number of element is there in the key searching space, key space, that number of memory is need to create. That is a drawback. So to reducing or optimizing the memory, we are implementing modified hash. How to what is the how to do the modification on the existing hash? Existing hash function is h of x is equal to x. Mathematical, we have to write is a very important, is a static hashing mathematical representation. Now modified hash, how it is represented? Just apply mod operation with the 10. So reducing the size of memory with only 10 portions 0 to 9. Whatever the element we have to enter, that only occupy within the position of 0 to 9. Let us see what this function is implemented on this example. Let us take 25, 37, 13, 9, 11, 35. So this is my elements. This is a key space. These elements I want to store in the list. What is the list size maximum? 10. Maximum 10. 0. Not more than. If any number of any length of any maximum number in present in the key space, we don't bother about. We are fixed up with the memory size 0 to 9. Only 10 portions I need to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So this is the memory. So in between, as usual, having hash function. Okay. Hash function is waiting for the element. Okay. So now the element is 25 is entered. I write here mathematically h of 25 equal to, what is the x value? 25 mod 10. What is the remainder of 25 mod 10? I think you know that how to find. 2 is 20. Remainder is 5. Which is the remainder we get for that element? That remainder place we have to store the value. Clear? Any element in the key space, take it, apply the modulo division, then which is the remainder we are getting, that position we can store that value. So now remainder is 5. So then 25 is stored at 5. Okay. Similarly 37. H of 37. 37 mod 10. What is the remainder? 7. The 7th place only the 37 is placed. Next, h of 13. 13 mod 10. The remainder is 3. Here store 30. Next 9. H of 9. 9 mod 10. What is the remainder? Remainder is 9. So the value is less than the division value, divisor value, the same value will be there. So then 9 will be stored in the 9th position. Next 11. H of 11 equal to 11 mod 10. Remainder is 1. Here remainder is 5, remainder is 7, remainder is 3, 9, 1. So 11 is stored in the first position. Next last 35. H of 35 equal to 35 mod 10. Remainder is 5. So 5. Fifth position I want to store. Okay. Fifth position is already having 25. Where I want to store, where I can store 35. Where I can store 35. So that is the problem again. In the modified function also, modified hash function also having the problem. When the problem is arise means, if the same index position one or more value is going to place is occur, that is called as collision. That is called as collision. This is very important for 2 marks question. Okay, so what is collision? Collision is nothing but it define one or more than one element going to place at the same position, that situation is called collision. Hashing collision. Okay, you have to represent in the diagrammatic wise. 25 is placed in the 5th position, the 35 remainder also 5, so the 35 also need to place same position, but already the element is placed in the same position. So one or more than one element is going to place at the same position, that situation is called as a collision. Okay, so that is a problem. So in the hash function, its problem is memory size increase randomly, exponentially, and to reducing the memory space, we are using modified hash function. We are applying the mod operation, so then we can optimizing the locations into only 0 to 9 so that is clear. But wait, and when the problem is arise means, if the same index position, suppose one more value want to store in the same position, that the situation is called as a collision. Okay, the definition is more than one element going to place at same position in the memory, like same position at memory, that situation is called as a collision. Okay, so now how to these collision problems overcome? What are the suitable techniques is present to solve that kind of collisions? Okay, up to now we have to cover problems, definitions, what is hashing, what is the mathematical representation of hashing, and what is the static hashing. Hashing means what we discussed in the previous one, that is called as the ideal hashing also. Next, the static hashing having some problem, so then move for modified hashing. So then modification is only modulo division by 10. 10 is nothing but length of the memory that divided into that number of slots. Okay, so the problem is same position, suppose one more value is going to store, that is reach situation is called as a collision. So this is the situation is collision situation. Okay, so now we are going to solve the collisions using various hashing techniques.